was immediately obvious the difference between the eye that I had just had surgery on and the eye that had not yet had the surgery. I remember telling my wife on the way home, honey, the color difference between the two eyes was just amazing. By that evening, I could read the smallest print. It was an overwhelming experience to realize that I had made the right decision in getting the PanOptix lens. And then the next week, I had the right eye done, and it was the same thing. You know, I came home that night, and then I can remember on the way home that I would see a traffic light, and it was amazing to me that that traffic light wasn't just a green blob or a yellow blob or a red blob. You could see the individual pixels in the traffic light. It was astonishing, all the things that I was beginning to see that I hadn't really noticed before. It was like a wake-up call.